Hey lippy lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria for those of you who are new viewers. I'm so excited to have you here. Today we're talking about the Rainbow collection, which I'm wearing on my eyeballs. I asked my Instagram followers how they wanted to see this new collection displayed, and they said they wanted to see a look. So I gave you a look. Now you guys are gonna get a full tutorial on how I created this, as well as kind of my first impression mixed in there. I have to put a sneak peek of this on my Instagram story. Please hold. For those of you guys who don't follow me on Instagram and Facebook, the Rainbow collection released this past weekend. It is 7 cream to powder eyeshadow colors that come in a pretty little glitter bag, and you can also purchase them separately. How gorgeous is this? It's like we went back to not middle school, like elementary school, and we did Roy G. Biv, right? So we got red, orange, yellow, green, can get them in my hands, blue, indigo, and violet. We got them all here. The great thing about this collection, I think a lot of people are like, why did they release a rainbow collection? Well, when you have primary colors, you can create any color. So this is gonna be amazing for those of you guys who like to customize your looks, who like to play with color. You can add black to it to make deep, rich shades. You can add white to it to make pastels. Like, the possibilities are seriously endless, and I think that's why I'm so excited about it. Now, have you guys ever worn bold eyeshadow shades? I want you guys to let me know in the comments what the craziest eyeshadow color you've ever worn was. I think mine might have been in college. I went to an 80s themed sorority party, and I wore like this neon blue glitter eyeshadow. Like, I'm talking, it was like snow cone lip sense in eyeshadow. I looked pretty good. I looked pretty 80s. I want to hear what your craziest eyeshadow look is in the comments below. If you're not part of the Lippy Lovers fam yet, I would love to have you, so hit that red subscribe button so that you can get notified of all my new videos. All right, y'all, let's jump into it. Keep watching to see my first impression of the Rainbow collection and this fancy rainbow eyeshadow tutorial. I forgot to record an intro to tell you guys what I'm doing here, but I'm using the white color correcting concealer as a base for these bold and bright colors. Okay, now that I have this base on, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the ShadowSense. So I'm gonna start with red. Ooh. I got my blending brush here. Gonna take product off of the wand like I normally do in my tutorials. And we're just gonna go for it. So this is gonna be the outermost color. I don't wanna like get too cray-cray with this. Remember, a little goes a really freaking long way. Okay guys, we're gonna go up. I hope this doesn't turn pink layered with the white. Please, let's not let that happen. I'm impressed with how pigmented this is. Like, I'm still obviously gonna have to layer, but so what I'm doing is once I'm on the inside area, I am actually like buffing it even farther in so that when I layer it, it's gonna blend. I love red eyeshadow, you guys. Okay, and I'm just gonna do like a little bit extra out here and really pack it in there to give that extra depth and dimension. Okay, the annoying thing about this is I feel like I'm gonna have to clean my brushes a million times because I only have a few blending brushes that I really like, and I wanna keep the colors really pure. So I'm just using a little bit of makeup cleaner to wipe off in between sections, and I'm probably gonna switch off on brushes to keep them from getting cross-contaminated. So that was the red. Now we're gonna move on to the orange. And we're gonna carve all this out as a cut crease so it doesn't have to be like perfect. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going in with a different blending brush, a different clean blending brush. I just love how like pure color these are. Okay, getting up into this area, it's really important to just blend in that transition area. And I'm gonna kind of buff up here to help this not be such a harsh line at the top. And we're gonna go along the bottom lash line with this flat blending brush. I have to make the weird face. I was thinking this was gonna be actually kind of hard to do because the fact that cream shadows are a lot harder to move once they're down. I was thinking it was gonna be really hard to blend them, but after that I'm like, oh dang, okay. Okay, next color, we're going in with the yellow. Again, I'm gonna go in with a blending brush on the inner corner, taking it off here. You would get so much product if you put this straight on your eyeball. Just be way too much. Okay, I am so excited to see the formula of this yellow because we've needed a yellow for a long time. Ooh, Okay, let's do this. That's like, I got so much on here. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. That formula is so pigmented. Oh my goodness, I can't. Okay, I'm going down here on this inside little corner. Dang, super pigmented. Okay, we're already on the second eye. Like, wow. I know I don't normally do first impressions like this, but you guys chose this on my Instagram story, so that's why we're here today. I asked if you guys wanted me to do like swatches or like show a look, and you guys wanted to see a look, so I'm giving you a look, girl. The cleaner I'm using is Quick Dry formula. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now I'm gonna go outside to inside on this other eye as well, because the darker shades always need to go first. So purple is gonna go on the outside corner. Oh, I'm excited for this one. It's violet. Sorry, I should call it by its true name. It's violet. I love purple, you guys. I want a hot pink in the same formula, like a hot matte pink. That would be great. Putting in a request. What I'm loving about these is none of them are sliding. Like, I think sometimes with dark SeneGence ShadowSense, we've seen with like the plum that the formula tends to slide a little bit and you have to pack it in. I don't feel like that with this. I feel like it really is just amazing. And it's not getting cakey. The reason I think I'm most excited for these shades is because we can literally create any color, like ever, with these primary colors. Now I am, because the indigo doesn't fit into the Roy G. Biv, like it doesn't make it totally even. I think I'm gonna put indigo violet, but I'm gonna use the indigo. It doesn't, you guys forgive me, I'm not gonna use it totally in order. Okay, so instead of putting indigo like right here where it's supposed to go, I'm actually gonna use it just to darken the crease of the violet. I know that's like kind of cheating, but you guys are gonna have to forgive me, but I'm excited to see this one. Let me just see it on my hand. Ooh, oh, this is really pretty. It's got more blue in it than the deep plum does. Okay, just need a little. I think this is gonna be better once I get the blue blended into it. Okay, let's move on. Blue, I'm blue, da-ba-dee-da-die. Anyone? Just me? Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented, holy crap. Oh wow, I'm loving the shade too, you guys. The blue is really, really taking over there. I guess you can still see it, right? So my camera ran out of battery. I'm not sure what the last thing you guys saw was, but I am loving this blue. The color's really pigmented. It's super true to color, like it's not turning. Like I'm actually really surprised at how blendable these are because of how bright they are. I can't wait to mix these with other shades. Now this also like doesn't have to be completely perfect on the lid because we are gonna go in with a white and do a cut crease. Okay, let's move on to the green. Why didn't you guys tell me my lights were so funky? Now they're back to normal. I didn't know they were flickering the whole time. That's awkward. Okay, green. Here we go. We're gonna go in the corner here. Ooh, we do not have a true green in the collection either. Like we had Mystic Moss a few months ago, but man, you guys, I'm excited about this. A little goes such a freaking long way, you guys. I'm having to be so careful not to get too much. And now I'm using the brush that has the blue on it to kind of blend in between these two areas. You guys need to let me know in the comments. Oh, I just got way too much in the corner there. Let me know in the comments which shade is your favorite so far. I'm curious. I thought red was gonna be my favorite, but I really think the blue might be my favorite. Now I'm gonna grab my Snow ShadowSense and carve out the crease. This is the old packaging for ShadowSense, so you guys will notice it doesn't look the same as the new ones, but it's still the same awesome formula. Those of you guys who have been following me for a while already know this technique, but I like to put it on my lid and then open my eye and use that as a kind of a guide. Now I've taken the stopper out of the ShadowSense because it was older to allow me to have more product come out at once. I'm gonna use a flat shading brush to apply this. We got the first side done. Let's move on to the other side. Now it's important to make sure you guys are going to the same point. I'm going to the outside 1/3. think I've gotten these pretty even. So now I'm gonna go in with the colors that the white covered up and like blend in between so it is like seamless. Now we're gonna go in with the blue on the other side. Now that is all I have for the eye look. I'm gonna throw on some liner and lashes and the rest of my makeup look and give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. And here is the totally finished look with lashes, liner, lips, and blush and highlighter. What do you guys think? Now let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. I was worried that the colors weren't gonna be super blendable because they were so bold and highly pigmented. I am impressed by how easily they blended. I thought the warm toned colors blended superbly, like very easily. The only ones I had a little bit of issues with were the blue and the purple. Other than that, good to go, super easy. I mean, it turned out okay. It just took a little bit of practice in working with since they were new shades. Now this collection does come in this cute little bag. How cute is this? The info on how to order is down below in my description. Now it's that time of the video where I shout out my viewer of the week. You guys know how to be selected. All you have to do is comment on the video so I know that you watch, and then you have a chance to get a shout out on my latest video. And the viewer of the week is... Oh, hey girl, thanks for watching and thanks for being one of my amazing viewers. You guys know what to do. Show her some love in the comments, give her a subscribe, and maybe next week it'll be you. Thanks for watching, guys. You're gonna see a tutorial soon on how to blend these colors and create your own custom colors with other ShadowSense shades. So be on the lookout for that. Hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos, and tap the bell and you'll get notified when I post. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.